Ukrainian Azov Brigade forces have launched an intense and highly coordinated wave of attacks using FPV drones, striking Russian soldiers across an active combat zone with alarming speed and accuracy. Early battlefield reports indicate that enemy troops were targeted individually and systematically, triggering widespread confusion, fear, and emergency responses along multiple frontline sectors. According to sources familiar with the unfolding operation, the drone strikes began without warning during a critical moment when Russian units were attempting to reposition and reinforce exposed areas. Within minutes, Ukrainian drone operators reportedly gained full situational awareness, monitoring troop movements live through first-person view feeds transmitted directly from the drone. Military officials say the Azov FPV drones were deployed in carefully timed waves rather than isolated strikes. This allowed Ukrainian operators to isolate Russian soldiers who became separated from their units, cutting them off from cover, communication, and support. Each drone maneuver appeared calculated, leaving little time for reaction. Eyewitness accounts from near the combat zone described panic spreading rapidly among Russian forces as the sound of drones filled the air. The distinctive buzzing overhead reportedly caused soldiers to abandon defensive positions, scatter into open terrain, or remain frozen in place, unsure where the next threat would emerge from. Ukrainian sources confirm that the operation was not intended as a conventional offensive push. Instead, the strikes focused on disrupting troop concentration, blocking movement corridors, and breaking the rhythm of enemy operations, effectively turning mobility itself into a liability. As the situation escalated, Russian radio communications reportedly became overwhelmed and disorganized. Multiple urgent warnings about incoming drones were transmitted simultaneously across different channels, leading to crossed messages, delayed responses, and breakdowns in command coordination at the unit level. Video footage released shortly after the strike shows FPV drones flying at extremely low altitudes, navigating through damaged infrastructure, abandoned vehicles, and uneven terrain. Analysts reviewing the footage say it highlights an advanced level of remote control, situational awareness, and operator training. Defense experts stress that Azov FPV drones represent a significant leap in battlefield dominance. Small, fast, and difficult to detect, these drones allow operators to react instantly to changes on the ground, transforming even minor troop movements into high-risk decisions with immediate consequences. Russian forces are now reported to be conducting emergency withdrawals from several forward positions affected by the drone activity. Observers note abandoned equipment, halted vehicles, and disrupted supply lines, suggesting a rapid and uncoordinated pullback under constant aerial pressure. Ukrainian officials state that the primary objective of the strikes was to degrade enemy morale and combat effectiveness rather than to seize territory. By applying continuous pressure from the air, the drones forced Russian units into a defensive paralysis, unable to regroup or advance safely. As night fell across the combat zone, the operation reportedly continued without pause. Sources indicate that the persistent presence of drones throughout the night placed enormous psychological strain on troops on the ground. Soldiers reportedly remained on high alert for hours, knowing that any movement, sound, or heat signature could draw immediate attention from above. International observers are closely monitoring the escalation, warning that the widespread and effective use of FPV drones could accelerate changes in modern warfare doctrine. Analysts emphasize that control of airspace at the micro level is now as decisive as artillery or armored units. While official casualty figures have not yet been released, military analysts say the psychological and operational impact is already evident. Reports suggest heightened hesitation, slower response times, and increased stress among frontline units. Security experts argue that this operation may represent another turning point in the conflict. It underscores how low-cost, adaptable drone systems, when used strategically and persistently, can overpower traditional defenses and reshape the balance of power on the battlefield. As this continues to develop, one conclusion is becoming increasingly clear. The modern battlefield is changing at a relentless pace, and the most dangerous threat no longer comes from distant artillery alone, but from fast, silent FPV drones that dominate the skies and leave no place to feel truly safe.